So, we're going to be building a train. So, I just downloaded this game. I don't know what, maybe I'm just gonna crafting and building. If you have crafting and building, just put it on there. Like, I always do this. I change the texture pack to original. Now, it doesn't change this looking. It just changes, watch. It just changes. Now, so, next video, this is part 1. We're going to be building a train.
Are we almost done? Now, I'll be right there.
Where is it? Always day. Okay. So. So what we're gonna grab? Okay, we're just building a steam engine. What you're gonna grab? You're gonna wanna grab a no. You're gonna wanna grab a no notification, Grandma. Where's it? Where's it? Little bricks. You're not telling me, bro. Taking a dump in an alerter. Now we're gonna mostly make videos on Minecraft now. Not all the time, but a few times. Some memes. I already created a meme. I play Roblox, but only on my cousin's iPad. Her name on there is meme1234. I think. She's a meme. If you ever see that, that's her on Roblox. But her iPad is crapped up. Wait. Where's it? So we're just gonna use this, I guess. Oh. Right there. So I forgot that is right there. I'm silly. Okay, so my grandma's just making some lawn in order. I made a big boy. This is supposed to be a 414. No, it's. I guess so. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I should go record somewhere else, should I? No, I'm getting comfy, but I'm just gonna. So that's 5. I'm just gonna wanna. Beep, beep, boop, bop. There's gonna be a part 2 because I'm just. I think I'm just gonna be able to record up to 12 minutes, so probably just part 2. Okay. This is not a big train build. Just a little train build. You can copy me. This is just the first train tutorial on Minecraft. I mean on crafting. The other, I was gonna make a train tutorial on my original phone, but I couldn't, ran out. This is my grandma's new phone. That phone that that you guys saw me in that video said, finally I got my phone. That is Grandma's phone, by the way. And this is her new phone. And I'm just building something random. Now, if you ever want to see more Minecraft videos, I'm gonna have to ask my grandma to go on her phone.
How many?
Pretty be in Kansas City by now.
Before he left, he said that I should get the lock on my window fixed. Until he got in. He didn't want anyone breaking in and see.
We will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. Everybody wants to rule the world. Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Turn your... Everybody wants to rule the world. Welcome to your life, everybody. Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. World. Everybody wants to rule the world. World.
Sometimes rape victims are giving housing vouchers. It's sacred. Yeah. I can talk to my boss, but I can't go back.
Acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to. You acting. So I live in Canada, and I just built a few American trains on my Minecraft world. I have lots of CNs on my train world on my iPad. I should show you one day. Yeah, maybe tomorrow when I get back to home, I think. No, Grandma?
She's behind on all the bills.
Are we going home tomorrow? Are we going home tomorrow? Yeah. We will probably. We'll sleep here one more night. Last time I remember being at home was, I don't know.
She has over 2,000 Facebook friends. Maybe one of them considers himself charming. This photo was taken.
Yeah, dude. Oh yeah, I went there yesterday. Because I went to that X yesterday.
I know the guy's t-shirt from a company called Pickup.
On a cab. We don't have a car. We might rent a car. Or buy one. So there we go.
160, huh?
We will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. Everybody wants to rule the world. Everybody wants to rule the world. Don't mind the hole. You can fill it in if you want. You can't if you don't want to. If you don't wanna, you can just leave it there.
So did you use that Brad Pitt bull?
Or if you can actually. You can, but I'm gonna make a engine right there.
She's like my kid sister. There's no way Is she okay? Well, I got You're kidding, man. Like, we never even hooked up.
Turn your back to Mother.
I'll tell you who
Oh
you should
crap,
talk to.
guys.
Some dude who shops at her store has been creeping around. She told me one time he showed up at her apartment unannounced with flowers.
9 minutes, guys, so I'm gonna make a part 2.